As you step inside, you'll feel a sense of intrigue as you take in the luxurious furnishings and the enigmatic decor. The king bed is the centerpiece of the room, providing a night of deep, restful sleep. The bed is adorned with linens and plush pillows, inviting you to sink in its embrace. The flat-screen TV and high-speed Wi-Fi offer a window into another world, beckoning you to explore. The king bedroom offers a view that is both captivating and enigmatic. Whether you gaze upon the glittering lights of the Las Vegas Strip or the looming mountains beyond, you'll see a sense of anticipation for what's to come. There's a work area, shrouded in shadows, yet it calls out to you, tempting you to sit down and uncover its secrets. The chairs are comfortable, ample lighting offer a glimpse into the mysterious realm of productivity and creativity. The bathroom is a place of reflection and contemplation with its fixtures and intriguing amenities. The rainfall-like shower offers a soothing escape from the mysteries of the world outside. So if you're seeking a journey into the unknown, look no further than Excalibur Hotel. Book your king room or queen room. Make sure you get that strip view. And I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.